Guys, Twitch is giving free 3 months of Discord Nitro. And I will 100% tell you step by step on how to claim it. But before that, I run a server called Pixie. It has all the high-quality server decors and layouts you need. We even have different channels like banners, dividers, and so on. The server is highly advanced with all the new techniques and technologies and advanced verification system to keep our members safe. We also do Discord Nitro giveaways. My servers currently has 11,000 members and they increase every day. If you want to join my server, go to any of my videos description, there you will find the invite link. You can join us to make friends, mental health, and for decors and layouts, or just come check us out. Back to the topic. So this is Twitch app. It is generally used by gamers to stream. The offer will start from October 17th to October 31st. I guess we have a very little time left for this. To be eligible for this 3 months Nitro, you need to have Twitch subscription. If you don't know, just go to your Twitch app. Click your profile and subscription, there you can buy their premium. To be eligible for this Nitro, your account shouldn't have had Nitro for 12 months or your account should be new to Discord Nitro. And the rest is just basic info. I will leave this article in my video's description, you can check everything out yourself. If you like the video, hit that like and subscribe button.